What's going on, guys? Rob from myppctraining.com. Make sure you stop by and download our free Google Ads optimization guide and check out some other cool links on the website there. So in today's training, I want to show you how to improve your landing page quality score. All right. So if you have a diagnosed problem in Adwords and you're seeing that Google's telling you, hey, like your landing page quality score sucks, which obviously if you're watching this video, you've seen in your campaign that it told you that. So there's a few different things that you can do to improve your quality score. Actually, there's the four main ones I'm going to go through. Now, there's probably a lot more, but I'm going to go through the main four that I've always used to just turn around shitty quality scores for landing pages. So the first one is relevance of the page content to the ads and keywords. So message match has to be there. If we're running a plumbing page like this example here, and we're running a plumbing campaign and we're taking the people to a landing page about water heaters, all about water heater repair, stuff like that, that's not a good message match, okay? That doesn't make sense. If we're going to have a water heater repair or replacement ad group, we want to send that to a water heater repair or replacement landing page. All right, so that's one of the biggest issues I see. Another one is not having correct title, keywords, and meta description. All right, you got to have that filled out. I know it sounds stupid, and people always say it doesn't matter anymore, but just do it anyway. Just trust me. You want to do that. All right. Number two is page load time. Now, we use Instapage, instapage.com. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out for a free trial. We built all of our landing pages with Instapage. As you can see, it's just drag and drop anything we want to do. It's extremely user friendly. In my opinion, the best tech out there for landing pages. But all of our pages are hosted on their server. So I shouldn't say hosted on our server. All our pages are built on their platform, is what I meant to say. So it's important that your pages load fast, and we've never had an issue with Instapage where the pages lag or they don't pull up fast enough. Usually it's like instantly. So that's important as well, to make sure that you have whatever server you're using, which our server is pretty badass, but it's important that you have a fast loading website or landing page. If you don't, Google will penalize you, unfortunately. Next is easy user navigation. That's very important. We want a nice straightforward landing page, okay? Phone number, logo, call to action, sub call to action. Here's how we solve your problem. Fill out this form. Testimonials, our services, and then obviously I would also add in like an about section below this down here. All right, and then a conclusion. It's really simple. It's a one page. We're just scrolling down and we're done. All right. The whole point of a landing page is you want to solve the users you want to solve the prospect's problem up here. Okay, that should be your main goal. We want to whatever reason they're visiting your landing page or whatever traffic source they came from, doesn't matter. We want to solve their problem up here. All right. We want them to either call or fill out a form. That's it. We don't want them to be bouncing around navigation links and disappearing somewhere. All right. Next, and something that a lot of people skip over too, is to make sure your images have relevant tags in them. So that's really important. So if we wanted to upload more images here, we just go to edit, and we can go change our background image, and then we can drop in a title or an alt tag. So I always try to work in keywords into those. Not like blatantly obvious like plumber or something like that. I'll work in like long tail keywords into image alt tags and stuff like that. That definitely helps. So I mean that's really it is for right now. So like I said, it's a short video. It's not going too crazy in depth. But if you can follow those four things, you should be okay, and you should be able to turn around a poor landing page quality score. Again, probably the most important two issues I could say are relevance of the content to the ads and the keywords in the AdWords campaign, and page load time. Okay, I mean, if you have a website, and we've had clients who refuse to let us build landing pages and just want to send traffic to their home website page, and it loads like 10 seconds to open a page, like it's toast. It's never going to work. Okay, so fast load times and extreme relevance of page content to your Google Ads campaign. Biggest takeaways of this video. So hopefully you pulled some value out of this. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Check out the links in the description. I'll drop one to our free Google Ads optimization guide where I'll run through how you can turn around any syncing campaign within at least 7 days. you'll be able to turn that around. And also, I'll drop a link to Instapage so you can hop in here with a free trial and start playing around with the different landing page designs and all that kind of stuff. So honestly, this page right here, this page converts to 25%. And I know it looks stupid and it's terrible, but that's just, Instapage is incredible. So you definitely should get in there and play around with it. Besides that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.